Bazzite versus Windows. Which gaming operating system is better? Choosing the right gaming OS can completely change your gameplay experience without lag or compatibility issues. We'll look at Bazzite and Windows, two powerful options for gamers. Bazzite is a Linux-based OS optimized for gaming performance, while Windows is the widely used, versatile operating system with broad game support. The core difference lies in Bazzite's lean gaming-focused design versus Windows' extensive compatibility and features. Bazzite is a specialized Linux distribution designed specifically for gamers. It streamlines system resources by minimizing background processes, which boosts game performance and reduces latency. Bazzite supports popular gaming platforms like Steam and Proton, allowing many Windows games to run smoothly on Linux. Its open source nature means it's highly customizable, ideal for users who want control over their gaming environment. However, Bazzite has limitations with certain AAA titles and anti-cheat systems that may not be fully compatible. It also requires some Linux familiarity for installation and troubleshooting. The ideal user is a tech-savvy gamer who prioritizes performance and customization over plug-and-play convenience. Bazzite shines on systems where resource efficiency and minimal overhead directly enhance frame rates and responsiveness, making it a great choice for competitive gamers and those running older hardware. For more details, visit the official Bazzite page at evatig.com. Our Windows remains the dominant operating system for gaming, known for its broad compatibility with nearly every game and peripheral. It offers native support for DirectX 12, which delivers advanced graphics features and improved performance in many modern titles. Windows also benefits from extensive driver support and seamless integration with gaming services like Xbox Game Pass and Steam. Its user-friendly interface and widespread adoption make setup and troubleshooting straightforward, even for casual gamers. However, Windows can consume more system resources due to background services and updates, sometimes impacting game performance on lower-end hardware. Additionally, some users express concerns about privacy and system bloat. Windows is ideal for gamers who want maximum game compatibility, easy access to the latest releases, and support for a wide range of hardware and accessories. For official information, visit microsoft.com/no/windows. Choosing between Bazzite and Windows depends on your priorities. Bazzite offers a lightweight, performance-focused experience that can boost frame rates by cutting unnecessary background tasks, perfect for competitive gamers or those with modest hardware. However, it may struggle with certain games due to limited compatibility and requires Linux knowledge. Windows provides unparalleled game and hardware support, ensuring smooth play for the latest AAA titles and easy access to gaming ecosystems. This comes at the cost of higher system resource usage and occasional update interruptions. If you prefer a ready-to-go setup with broad software support, Windows is the safer choice. For users willing to customize and optimize their system for performance, Bazzite offers a compelling alternative. Both have trade-offs between ease of use and performance optimization. Choose Bazzite if you want a streamlined high-performance gaming OS and are comfortable with Linux customization for maximum efficiency and control. Opt for Windows if you need the widest game compatibility and a user-friendly experience that supports all the latest titles and gaming hardware. Both operating systems excel in different areas, so pick the one that best fits your gaming style and setup.